Get noticed in this 2006 BMW 3 Series. Travel the roads in style and comfort in this great vehicle. Save your money. Make less trips to the gas station to fill your gas tank when driving this fuel-efficient vehicle. With a solid 6-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission, premium wheels give a more luxurious look. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. This car has separate passenger temperature controls. There's nothing like a sunroof on a nice day. An included Carfax Vehicle History Report allows you to purchase with confidence and the knowledge that your buy was a smart choice. Call today to schedule a test drive.